Hello all, welcome to the video series SQL. In this video series, we will talk about the basic concepts of SQL and database. My name is Kumar. I have 8 years of experience working with databases, specifically SQL Server. I worked as a database developer, database administrator, and database business intelligence developer. So this video series is targeted for students who want to learn about the basic concepts of database and SQL, and graduates who want to start their IT career, and database developers, database testers, and QA testers. So let's get started with the course content and see what all is covered in this video series. First, we will talk about the data, how important the data is, what are the different types of data, and where this data is stored. In the last decade or so, the importance of data has been growing every day because lots of people are using this data every day, and every second lots of data is being generated. So there is lot of worth in this data if you can dig and find the patterns in this data. So we will talk about how this data is important and how this data is helping companies growing their business. And then we will get into the concepts of database. So database is a place where we store data securely. So we will talk about what the importance of database, and we will talk about the different types of databases. And then we have different databases in the market, like Microsoft has Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, and then IBM has DB2, MySQL, and then Teradata. So there are various different types of databases. So we will talk about the different types of these databases. And then the SQL language. So SQL is the basic language to work with any of these databases. So once you learn SQL, the basic concepts of SQL will help you to work with any of these databases that I was talking about. It can be Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, DB2, or any other database. The basic concepts will remain the same across all these databases. And then we will get into SQL commands. So there are different SQL commands which are categorized into two. The first one is the data definition language commands, which are also called as DDL commands, and then the data manipulation language commands, which are also called DML commands. And then we will get into the concepts of database objects. So when you work with this database, there are various database objects that you have to deal with. So we will talk about tables, views, functions, stored procedures, and triggers. Okay, and then we will also learn about how to write SQL query. When I say query is nothing but when you work with the database, you write your SQL language or SQL code, that we call it as a query or a question to the database. Okay, so we will learn how to write a select command or a select query to work with the data. And then we will also learn about the SQL joins. There are 4 basic types of SQL joins, which is called inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. 90% of the time, as a developer or as a tester, you will be writing all your queries or SQL code using these joins. Okay, and then all the material and the code that we will be using throughout this video series will be attached with the videos. And if you have any questions, you can always email me at sqlserveretraining@gmail.com.